This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trades on Bitcoin today. Took two trades on Bitcoin today. I'll walk you through what I saw. First, we'll come here to the 15-minute chart. So you can see that this displacement here, this large sell-off here. You can also look at this as likely expansion on a higher time frame. But this sell side delivery here down to this level where price began to consolidate here into the Frankfurt and London sessions right here. So seeing that and all of this sell side liquidity, I had a position yesterday where I took profits here at this level. But took out sell side delivery here, sell side delivery here, sell side delivery here, and some sell side further back to the left of the charts here. So my bias was a long bias, and this Fibonacci retracement I have here set up to set up my overall dealing range, and this being an area of premium and this being an area of discount. So looking to buy here and sell here, or if it was the opposite, looking to sell here and cover down here. But looking at this as in an area of discount and looking for a long. So I want to see a sweep of a swing low on the 15-minute chart, and then a fair value gap on either the 5-minute or 15-minute. So what happens here is this candle here, sweeps out here, and then you can get this buy side delivery here, matching on the 5-minute. Before we go to the 5-minute, these these orange lines are the swing levels, the swing level here and the swing level here. Looking for those for me to use as a signal for when a sweep has been made on this level. But this sweep here in this candle is this series of candles here. And if I move this over, actually, before I do that, I need to put the new timeline up. And make a couple adjustments, and I'll get back to that. I want to make sure I'm up to date on everything while I'm covering everything here in the video, and I want to put the highs and lows in here. There, this is here. This is here. Okay. All right. So here on the 5-minute, this here is the same candle as that candle that I mentioned earlier. And with that, you get this fair value gap that forms here, this small fair value gap here that this candle trades down into. And this is during the London kill zone, the London silver bullet kill zone, right at the tail end or at the macro for that. I wasn't trading the London open. And afterwards, it put in these this buy side delivery here, and put in these two fair value gaps. So this morning, while watching it, I had Fibonacci up on these up to here because I want to set an entry target at a fair value gap below. Since I'm long, I want to take an entry in the discounted area of this immediate range or this immediate price leg that I'm trading. So I had targeted this fair value gap with the stop below here, and you can see here price in this candle sweeps out this liquidity here, which is the same candle where you see this orange level here for this swing low here, and there's a fair value gap right here. So as price trades into this fair value gap here is when I took this entry, and then price delivered below my stop loss here in this candle, so I took a stop out. So this being one position here, and then this purple line here, this is the New York open at midnight, the price in New York at midnight, and you can see price basically returns to this same area here as it was during the London open here, but price according to the ICT 2022 methodology for a long position, you want to see price trade below the New York open price, which it does right here, and this is within the New York AM silver bullet kill zone right here. So I took a second entry after being stopped out. Took a second entry here, and this was based off of sorry, mosquitoes in here. And this was based off of the sweep of this level here on the 15-minute. So after being stopped out, this level here, which I had as a stop loss, was swept out. So now this would be the next remaining area for stop loss, which is the same stop. This is in conjunction with this fair value gap entry during the London Open. So when that happened, I here on the 5-minute waited until there was a swing low formed to show that level would be support. I didn't know if that level would just sell off or price would just be delivered to the sell side through that next level. So I wanted to see some type of confirmation of potential buy-side delivery. So this being the middle of the swing low here, or the lowest point of the swing low, and then the candle to the left, the lower, a higher low, and the candle to the right, a higher low. So this forms a swing low here. So when the swing low was into position here, when this candle opened up, I immediately took a position here, and you can see for the most part getting buy-side delivery here. And now currently approaching target. So I've walked my stop loss up. I've trailed it, and I'll show you exactly what I've been doing. Is basically trailing my stop loss two swing lows behind the most current swing low. So I'll actually adjust my stop now as I've been updating everything. But this is the most current swing low currently. So I'll move my stop to here, to this swing low right here, which is the 7 p.m. New York candle here. So the low here is 117, 159. So I'll do 117, 150.7. So there's a 10-cent spread on Bitcoin. So I give it a 20-cent stop loss. Okay, double check that level. 117, 157. 117, 150.7. And now you can see my stop loss has been adjusted to reflect this level here on the 5-minute. And now I'll modify the position here, confirm that. So I've just been trailing my stop to protect profits, since I prefer to enter in one position, I would say enter um, with full size and then exit the same at full size. So uh, one one buy and one sell, not taking any partials. So with that in mind, setting protective stops, or trailing my stop to lock in profits, basically trading defensively, to only taking profits defensively, not offensively taking profits unless my target is met. And my target is right here, is this liquidity. There's buy side liquidity resting right above this swing high here on the 15-minute. So this is my target, and as you can see, my stop loss has been moved up to here when it was originally below this candle here when I took the entry here, and I've just been trailing it to, as I mentioned, two swing lows behind the current price action at that time. So getting near to profit target here. Take a look at my ticket. So this is my history for today. This is that first trade that I stopped down on and lost about 50 cents. And this is the current trade here with unrealized P&L here, and the risk here was about 50 cents. It's about 50 cents, and this is a 5.5 to 1 reward to risk trade. So potentially looking at around about $2.75 return on the 50-cent risk. So keeping size small, since I am just recently deploying this trading system methodology and getting used to it here. And if all goes well, the account will soon begin to grow in stature. But this is all I have for today. This is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.